Hello, this is Sarah from the blog She Holds Dearly, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of our farmhouse dining room. I'm hoping that you will be inspired and find some ways to refresh your dining room, and I think that you may have a few of these things in your own home too. In this video, I will be sharing 3 ways that I update our dining room for spring. These 3 refresh ideas actually can be used for any room in your house and for any season. The first one is to pick a large piece of furniture and change the color. Now, paint, of course, is the easiest way to do this. While the paint was drying, I ran inside and took down a gallery wall that we have had up for a long time. This is a great time to spackle and do any touch-up painting that needs to be done. I replaced everything on that wall with just some simple wall decorations just to make it feel simpler and fresher for spring. The grain sack wall hanging I made, and I'll link the blog post that goes with that project. After adding in some cloches and fresh flowers, I turned my attention to the furniture. Scour your house for small pieces of furniture. There are 2 cafe chairs that I pulled from off our back porch. This church pew is off of our front porch. I'm going to use that on the back side of the table. Add in some pillows to soften the look, and you've got a whole new room. So even if you don't have the extra money for a whole room refresh, you can still tweak things enough by looking through your home and adding in some paint and end up with a whole new look. It can still be done with a little thought and creativity.